निकला न करो तुम सज धज के, इंसान की नीयत ठीक नहीं इस रंग बदलती दुनिया। Hi all.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening. So today we will be discussing problems on retirement of partner. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Hope you remember that yesterday we discussed about the gain ratio and formats. आपको याद है?
Yes, sir.
Very good. Then one more thing I want to ask you. Can somebody tell me what is the formula for gain ratio? Hey, somebody please आपका माइक म्यूट कर दीजिए. हाँ. ओके, तो आप बताएंगे व्हाट इज द फॉर्मूला फॉर गेन रेशियो? Anyone? Okay, so if you can raise. Okay, so somebody raised hand. Now the one who have not named themselves, dot वो सब है, मैं उनको block कर रहा हूँ. I'm not going to continue with those students. So if you keep your names, then it will be good. So Shreyas Patil, you can unmute and answer.
New ratio minus old ratio.
Very good. It is new ratio minus old ratio. Very good. Next, Bhagyashree Yadav. Bhagyashree Yadav.
Hello, sir.
ಹೇಳಮ್ಮ ನ್ಯೂ ರೇಷಿಯೋ ಇದು ಗೇನ್ ರೇಷಿಯೋ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಏನದ?
Gain ratio is equal to new ratio minus old ratio.
Fantastic amma. Old ratio minus new ratio, right?
New ratio minus old ratio, sir.
New old ratio minus new ratio ಎದರದ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಆಗ್ತದೆ ಹೇಳಮ್ಮ? ನೆನಪದನ?
Sacrifice ratio, sir.
Fantastic. Very good, very good, very good, very good amma. Very good.
Thank you, sir.
Now today we will be starting with the next part, that is problems on retirement of partner. Are you ready? Are you ready for the problems on retirement of partner? Ready, Jerry? All of you. If you are ready, you can raise your hand. Okay, very good. There are so many who have raised their hands. Very good. So now today, let us start with the first question. Can somebody tell me, Bhagyashree, can you tell me what is the page number? Retirement of partner. Okay, so it is here. So we will be discussing 12 marks problems today. Now section D, you should come to the page number 52. Page number 52 in your question bank. Okay, so now here, Digvijay, Brijesh and Parakram were partners in a firm, sharing profits in the ratio of 2:2:1. The balance sheet as on March 31st, 2018 was as follows. It's a very simple problem. I want to solve this problem because we are beginning with our revision, and I will solve one more problem which is a bit tough. Okay, so now the ratio is 2:2:1 and they have given the balance sheet. In that we have creditors. Creditors, if there is any change, it appears in the revaluation account, otherwise it will directly appear in balance sheet. Then we have reserves that need to be distributed between Digvijay, Brijesh and Parakram. Okay, anyone who is interested in discussion, अगर आप discussion, आप पहले अपने hands को वापस ले लीजिए so that I can understand who have raised the hands. Okay, so now you tell me if somebody wants to be part of discussion, please raise your hands. So Abhinandan is ready, Ankita is ready. So मैं दोनों को mute कर रहा हूँ. Yes, unmute कर रहा हूँ. So दोनों अभी आप बात कर सकते हैं. Abhinandan, can you hear me? Okay, Ankita.
Yes, sir.
Then Anjali. Then somebody named Isha. Isha, you like to be part of discussion? You can unmute and be part.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so we have two students who are ready. Now let's start. Okay, first we have first creditors. Okay, so creditors, what we will do, if there is any increase or decrease, we will take that to the revaluation account. Otherwise, it will directly go to the balance sheet. And reserves need to be distributed in the ratio that is 2:2:1. And Digvijay, Brijesh and Parakram's capital will go to their respective capital accounts as buy balance brought down. Okay. Then next what comes is the cash, debtors, stock, buildings and patents. And these assets also, if there is any change, they will be taken to the revaluation account. Otherwise, they will be directly going to the balance sheet. Okay. Are you clear with this point?
Yes, sir.
All of you? Okay. Now, Brijesh retired. Okay. Let him retire. And he retired on March 31st. If you remember yesterday, I told retirement is usually planned and it will happen at the end of the year so that there should not be any problem in finalizing the accounts. You remember this words which I mentioned yesterday?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, next, let us look at the adjustments. Goodwill of the firm was valued at rupees 70,000. Now, students, I want you to be very alert. Now, I'm going to speak very slowly, okay? But my speed will be very low, and I wish that you have calculator and you start working on it. Okay, आप सबके पास calculator है? If you are in accounts class, you must have calculator. Ankita, do you have calculator with you?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Abhidan, if you want to be part, you can unmute and you can speak, no problem.
Yes, sir.
हाँ, कैलकुलेटर है रे तेरे पास? राइट, तो अभी क्या करना है मैं आपको बताता हूँ. Who has retired? Brijesh has retired. Okay, let us calculate. हम कैलकुलेटर पे करेंगे, फिर हम प्रॉब्लम में भी करेंगे ये बात. तो देखिए ब्रिजेश का शेयर कितना है 2/5. ऑल ऑफ यू कैन सी बिकॉज 2:2:1 ही इज द सेकंड पार्टनर. हिज शेयर इज 2/5. राइट, आप लोग जो सब मतलब अनम्यूट है, आई वांट यू टू रिस्पॉन्ड सो दैट आई कैन अंडरस्टैंड. यस, यू गॉट द पॉइंट.
Yes, sir.
हाँ, so can you tell me 70,000 into 2/5 how much it will be?
28,000.
28,000. Very good. Now, this is what is this 28,000? 28,000 is the share of. Remember, 28,000 is the share of Mr. Brijesh. Okay, and this will be gained by his share is gained by Digvijay and Parakram. So they will be paying him in the same ratio, that is gain ratio. Now, how much it will be? 2:1. How much it is? 2:1. Now, I request you to calculate it. 28,000 into 2/3. How much it will be?
18,667.
हाँ, can you note down विभा please? What is the आप सब लोग थोड़ा साइड पे नोट करके रखिए. It is 18, right?
Yes.
18,667. Yes, please note it. अंकिता नोट कर लिया है आपने?
Yes, sir.
Very good. Very good. अभिनंदन नोट किया रे? Isha, have you noted down?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now can you calculate the other person share, that is the amount 28,000 into 1/3?
9,333.
हाँ, प्लीज नोट दोस टू अमाउंट्स साइड, ताकि हम बाद में नेक्स्ट टाइम जब कैलकुलेट करें हमको बहुत आसान हो. हाँ, आर यू क्लियर विद दिस पॉइंट? नाउ नेक्स्ट इज bad debt amounting to rupees 2,000 were to be written off. And you know that whenever we write off the bad debt, it is going to be a loss for us. It is going to be a loss for us. And yesterday only we discussed that the losses have to be taken on the debit side of the revaluation account. So we will take this 2,000 rupees on the debit side, and in the balance sheet, out of 19,000 rupees debtors, we will reduce 2,000 rupees because they have been declared as bad. Next is, patents were considered as valueless. That means it has been fully depreciated. क्या किया है? Fully depreciate हुआ है. तो आप समझिए fully depreciate का मतलब क्या होता है? Loss है. So how much is the loss? 9,000, because completely it is considered as valueless. Are you able to understand my point?
Yes, sir.
समझ में आया है सबको?
हाँ सर.
ओके, तो अभी हम स्टार्ट करेंगे प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व करना.
हाँ सर.
ओके, तो चलिए, लेट्स कम टू द सॉल्यूशन. ओके, सो आई हैव सम प्री ड्रॉन रीवैल्यूएशन अकाउंट. सबको मैं डिलीट कर देता हूं ताकि मैं फ्रेश सॉल्व कर सकूं इसको. सो आई रिक्वेस्ट ऑल ऑफ यू टू पुट फॉर्मेट ऑफ रीवैल्यूएशन अकाउंट. And don't forget to write debit and credit on the just a minute. दोनों साइड पे डेबिट क्रेडिट लिखना कभी भी मत भूलिए, याद रखिए ये बात. ये एक कॉलम एक्स्ट्रा हो गया है, लेट इट बी. आप लेकिन जब ड्रॉ करते रहते हो ये कंसीडर मत करना. मैं निकाल देता हूं वरना आप लोगों को कंफ्यूजन ना हो. ओके, सो okay, so first, hoping that you have drawn revaluation account, let me first write two debtors. It will be 2,000 because they have directly given. याद है ना आपको? Next, I will write two patents. It is 9,000, and there are no other items. So what I will do is I will just keep the amount as loss because the loss side is greater. So this amount should be transferred to partners capital account, and the amount is 11,000. Are you okay with this? समझ में आया है आपको ये बात?
हाँ सर.
ओके, तो पहले आता है दिग्विजय. ओके, दिग्विजय का शेयर शायद आएगा 4,400 आएगा क्या? जस्ट चेक. क्योंकि 11,000 इंटू 2/5 होगा शायद. 4,400. Now here one of my student is getting the same answer. Just check आपका भी same आएगा. Now the next is Parakram. Parakram is also getting 4,400 because same share. उसका भी 2/5 है. और लास्ट में कौन है?
Brijesh is getting 4,400.
ओ सॉरी, ब्रिजेश है क्या उसका नाम? सॉरी, मुझे वो शायद मैं समझा दिग्विजय के बाद नेक्स्ट पराक्रम है. ओके, ब्रिजेश. ओके, नाउ नेक्स्ट इज पराक्रम. He will be getting, I think, 2,200.
Yes sir.
Exactly.
Yes sir.
And आप थोड़ा वर्किंग दिखाना वहां कि कैसे ये 4,400 आया. That is 11,000 into 2/5.
1.
And ये 2,200 is 1/5. Are you clear with this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
I hope you have understood.
Yes, sir.
Let's move to the partners capital account, and let me name them Digvijay, ब्रिजेश, अभी ड्रॉ कर लीजिए, पराक्रम, this is particulars, the same should be on this side, and don't forget to put debit and credit, and this is to be called as partners capital account, and always write headings of the account in capital letters. Partners capital account, debit, and this side I will put credit. Okay, so let's begin. बहुत ही सिंपल प्रॉब्लम है आज का. So सबसे पहले आएगा बाय बैलेंस ब्रॉट डाउन. सॉरी, ये बी कैपिटल हो गया, बी कैपिटल नहीं रहना चाहिए. Now, very simple problem. Can somebody tell me what are the capitals?
82,000,
82,000, 60,000, 75,500. Right? सही है अंकिता?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now after that, buy reserves. Buy reserves. If you divide that amount, कितना था amount वो थोड़ा check कीजिए. हाँ 18,500. Just check what will be the amount. 18,500.
7,400.
7,400,
7,400, 7,400, 3,700, right? Hope I'm right.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now we have revaluation loss. So if it is loss means it will be appearing on the debit side. So we write to revaluation account. And we have already calculated 4,400, 4,400 and 2,200. सही है?
हाँ सर.
yes, sir.
Now, next. After that, now let me make some working for goodwill. So I write working note number 1. It will be goodwill, right? So in that, first we will write who has retired. Brijesh. Abhinandan, Brijesh हुआ है ना retire?
हाँ सर, ब्रिजेश हुआ.
Okay, so Brijesh share of goodwill is equal to, it is 28,000. Sorry, कितना था वो goodwill total? 70,000 था शायद. 70,000 into his profit sharing ratio is 2/5. तो आता है कितना? 28,000 if I'm not wrong.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir, correct.
बराबर है? Then अब next है ये 28,000 में, मतलब out of this 28,000 who will get how much, right? How much Digvij, how much get के वाला मैं बोलता हूँ who will pay how much, right? How much Digvijay will be paying and how much Parakram will be paying. So now first we write Digvijay's share in Brijesh goodwill. Brijesh goodwill is equal to 28,000 into
2/3.
2/3, which will be 18,667. If शायद आप यही अमाउंट बताए थे थोड़ी देर पहले.
हाँ सर.
बराबर. Now next,
हाँ सर.
I think it has to be Parakram. Parakram's share in Brijesh goodwill will be equal to 28,000 into 1/3, which will be equal to 9,333. बराबर है?
हाँ सर।
Yes, sir.
पक्का है आपको ये?
हाँ सर।
Sir.
देन कल मैंने आपको बताया था कि ಟ್ರೀಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ कैसे होना चाहिए. That means now treatment ಅನ್ನ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ by continuing partners ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾರು ದಿಗ್ವಿಜಯ್ by ದಿಗ್ವಿಜಯ್ capital account and by Parakram capital account. We need to write this. Okay. And the amount should be written in Brijesh column. 18,667, 9,333. Hope you have understood this point.
यस सर।
यही सबसे क्रूशियल पॉइंट है, बाकी सब आप कर लोगे. You can do everything other than this part. Isha, whether you have understood this?
Sir, amount should be written in Parakram column.
No. Brijesh has retired, then the amount should be written in Brijesh column only. Okay, if you have any thing else you can ask, no problem. अगर किसी को भी कुछ भी डाउट है, you can raise your hand. Ganesh has raised hand. Ganesh, any doubt you have? I have unmuted you. Ganesh, any doubt?
No, sir.
No doubt. Okay. रिया समझ में आया है?
Sir, this is by AS26 only, right?
Yeah. This is as per AS26 because we need to follow AS26. Okay. Now, on the debit side, we need to write 2. Who has retired now? Brijesh. So I write 2 Brijesh capital account. The amount should be written in continuing partners column. See, 18,667 and 9,333. So this column will be dash. Are you clear now?
यस सर।
कुछ भी डाउट हो तो आप पूछ सकते हैं. There should not be any hesitation in asking doubts. Okay, so as we have finished everything, can we close? Because last was the goodwill treatment and we have completed that goodwill treatment. Now the last is to close. In order to close or in order to balance, sorry, not close, in order to balance, first I have to close Brijesh account. The reason is Brijesh is not going to continue with us. So first we need to check whether in the problem anywhere they have mentioned that Brijesh is to be paid. Just check. कहीं तो प्रॉब्लम में आप देखिए ब्रिजेश को पे करना है ऐसा कहा गया है?
No, sir.
नो. तो ब्रिजेश को हम होल्ड करके उसके कैपिटल अकाउंट को लोन में कन्वर्ट करेंगे क्योंकि हम उसको बाद में प्ले करने वाले हैं. सो आई राइट टू ब्रिजेश लोन अकाउंट and the loan amount will be 91,000. Are you clear with this point? And further, and in the brackets I will write BAL.FIG, which means that this is the balancing figure, so that you will not start finding out from where we got this amount. We have not, this amount is not mentioned in the problem. It is out of the difference between two sides. Okay.
Yes, sir.
And the last one is to balance carried down. The first one is 66,333 and the last one is 67,667. Have you understood this?
Yes, sir.
अभिनंदन, बात समझ में आया रे?
हाँ सर।
Those all who are online, have you understood this?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
ईशा, बात समझ में आई है, आया है आपको?
Yes, sir.
Very good. Okay. Now, can we
Hello.
move to the balance sheet? Okay, so let's move to the balance sheet. And if you have not finished noting down, you can take the screenshot of this and you can note it later. Okay, so you can take the screenshot of this. Okay, now coming to the next part. That is the balance sheet. I need to check what is the balance sheet date which is given in the problem.
31st March
March
2018.
31, 2018.
18 ही है ना, तो then fine, it is absolutely fine. उसको change करने की जरूरत नहीं है. Okay, so let's start. You can draw only one column here in Excel. It will not be easy for me to type. That's why I have made two columns. मैंने क्लास में जैसे आपको सिखाया है, you can have only one amount column. Okay. Now, so let's begin. Isha, can you tell me liability side पे सबसे पहले कौन सा amount था?
Credit.
लाइबिलिटी साइड पे सबसे पहले क्या था, आप बता सकते हैं थोड़ा? Was it creditors और कैपिटल, किससे स्टार्ट हुआ था?
For creditor.
Ganesh, you answered, I think, right?
Yes, sir.
Kavya, I think it is creditors.
Yes, sir.
Ganesh, your voice is not audible clearly here.
Wait, sir.
Okay, so let's start with first is creditors. Now, can you tell me what is the amount of creditors which is given in the balance sheet? 49,000. As there is no any other liability addition or deletion, so I have kept it as it is. Creditors 49,000.
1%.
Then next is Brijesh loan, because now it is a liability, it is not capital. So we know that it is 91,000. And then next is capitals. And in that first one is Digvijay. And it is 66,333. The next is Parakram. 67,667. I think together total will be 1,34,000.
Yes, sir.
Okay, next. First balance sheet में cash in hand. What was the cash in hand amount?
8,000.
8,000. Okay, let me take it as directly 8,000. Next. After that,
Debtors.
debtors. Inner column, I think 19,000. Less.
Bad debt.
Bad debt side. Bad debts था ना शायद?
हाँ,
Sir, 2,000.
2,000.
2000 bad debt.
Stock.
Okay, so it is 17,000 to the outer column. Next. What was the next one?
Stock.
Stock.
Stocks.
How much? 42,000.
42,000.
Next.
Building.
Buildings. Amount?
2,07,000.
2,07,000. There is no change at all. Next. Should not be considered because it is considered as worthless. You remember this point?
Yes, sir.
उसको नहीं लेना है क्योंकि it is considered as worthless.
Wow.
Now, can you check whether the total of the balance sheet is 2,74,000?
Yes.
Yes. both sides it is telling.
Yes, sir.
Even you check with your answer. Tell it? Very good.
So 2,74,000.
Now, can you see this? Okay, okay. ये अलग है. Wait. Accounts theory. Yes. Now, as we have some time, we cannot cover the practical part now, because later on tomorrow we will discuss a problem. But today, let us start with 1 marks questions in retirement and death of partner. You know that even these questions will be there in your examination. So first, 1 mark questions, fill in the blanks. Actually, the question is, dash ratio is used to distribute the accumulated profits and losses at the time of retirement of partner. Remember, it is the old ratio. It is the old ratio, and even the revaluation profit will be distributed in the old ratio. That is the next question. Yes. Ili duberedama. Idu 1 marks question like fill in the blanks ada nodri first ಗೆ. First you have fill in the blanks. Okay, now you just watch the screen which I have shared at this moment. Okay, so now next is new ratio minus old ratio is equal to gain ratio. Okay, then accumulated losses are transferred to the capital accounts. See, remember, every transfer will be done in old ratio only. There is no question of new ratio. But one thing we need to remember is goodwill when it comes to if you can hear me, you can raise your hands. Yes, very good. Very able to hear me. Now, okay, so let's begin. Now, the next is the new ratio minus old ratio is equal to gaining ratio. I was asking it before we start the class. And general reserve is transferred to all the partners, because in the retirement all are old partners, so that's why it should be transferred to all partners capital account. Now next is goodwill raised, see goodwill, any question distribution and comes, then the answer should be gaining ratio, because earlier there were many cases, now there is only one case, and in that case the goodwill is to be distributed in gaining ratio. The next is goodwill raised to हो गया ये. In the absence of any instruction, the retiring partner's capital account is closed by transferring to its retiring partner's loan account. That's what we discussed in the just above, in the above problem. When there was no information, we transferred it to Brijesh loan account. Then new ratio is used for adjustment of continuing partner's capital. Whenever the capital adjustment will be there, it will be done in new profit sharing ratio. Then yesterday I told you about this. XYZ are the partners sharing profits and losses in the ratio of 3:2:1. Y retires means वो Y का share remove कर दो, 2 उसका share है, तो what remains 3:1. Whether it may be new ratio or gain ratio, whatever it may be, it will be, उसको हटाना है और जो भी बचेगा that will be the ratio. Next is share gained is calculated by deducting old share from the new share. Very simple. That's what we said, new minus old. Next is the ratio in which the remaining partners share their future profits, and very simple, it is new ratio. पहला जो है वो ओल्ड है, जो आप बाद में शेयर करेंगे, दैट इज न्यू रेशियो. द बैलेंस